On today we'll talk about how to turn off industry best practices on the application of Trello. You will go to this up here as you see and you will click. In this page you will go to above to this sign. Then we click on settings. Here we go to profile and visibility. Then here you will wait a moment until you find this page. When you will wait, then you will find this window here. You will go to this sign of settings like this. Then here in this page you will find manage email preferences. Here in this page you will scrolling down until you find this sign. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.